Hello students, we are back with the second part of food components, and today's topic that I'm going to discuss now is confirmation of presence for food components. That is basically trying to identify the various food components that are present in the food that you're eating. As discussed previously, these can be carbohydrates or fats, proteins, fibers, and vitamins and nutrients, or it can be a blend of all of these and balanced amount. So, let's move to the next topic to understand how to test for carbohydrates. This is a very easy process which you will be doing in school labs shortly. All we need to do is take a liquid sample. This can be potato or something which contains very high quantity of carbohydrates. Can be rice sample as well. We take the liquid sample and we just add drops of iodine solution to the sample, stir it for a while, and we observe a change in color. If the color of the sample changes to something like purple or deep blue or black, it confirms the presence of carbohydrates in a very high quantity in the food sample that we have taken. If the color does not have any change, it indicates that carbohydrates is present in very less quantity or is not available at all. Moving next is the test for fats. This is a very easy process which you can do right now at home at the end of this presentation. All you need to do is take a paper and add a food sample, something like ghee and oil would be the best. Smear it on the paper and notice how the paper area where you've added the fat becomes translucent, and there is a difference in the appearance of the paper when you're adding oil drop with that of water drop. So, if the paper turns translucent, it confirms the presence of fat in the food sample, or it basically indicates that fat is present in a very high quantity. Test for proteins. Now, this is suggested to be performed in the school labs only. For this, all you need to do is prepare the base first. So, we need to take the food sample. This can be something like egg yolk because it contains protein in a very high quantity. We prepare the copper sulfate solution. For this, you need to take 2 grams of copper sulfate in 100 ml of water. This makes 2% of copper sulfate solution. Then we prepare the sodium hydroxide solution. That is done by taking 10 grams of sodium hydroxide in 100 ml of water. Now, to 10 drops of the food sample that we prepared, we add 2 drops of copper sulfate and 10 drops of sodium hydroxide. The color change indicates the presence of proteins.